exercise 11.4. Today in this exercise we are going to discuss about conversion of units. Conversion of the units. Okay. For example, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. The name of the chapter is perimeters and areas. In this exercise, in this video, we are going to discuss about how to convert the units, how to convert millimeter into centimeter or centimeter into millimeter, how to convert kilometer into meters, etc. So let us proceed now. Question number 7. Through a rectangular field of length 90 meter and breadth 60 meter, two roads are constructed which are parallel to the sides and cut each other at right angles through the center of the fields. If the width of each road is 3 meters, find the area covered by the roads. So here again we have the rectangular field, right? So through the center, parallel to the sides, passing through the center, the roads are constructed like this. These are the roads which are constructed here, right? Now thing is, first of all, total length of the field 90 meters. Out of 90 meter, 60 meter is total width, 90 meter is length. Okay, now what happens, just we are taking two roads are constructed which are parallel to the sides and cut each other at right angles through the center of the fields. If the width of each road is 3 meters, this is 3 meters, right? So 90, we divide this 90 into two parts. 90 divided 2 is equal to 45. Okay, in the middle this is 45. Also 3 we divide two parts. This is 1.5. So 1.5 is subtracted from 45. This is 43.5. So now this small rectangle, one small rectangle, its length is 43.5 meters. Similarly, we calculate the breadth. Earlier 60 is the breadth of the bigger rectangle. We divide this by 2, we have 30. Now similarly, 3, this is also 3 meter wide, so 3 by 2 is also 1.5. Now we again divide subtract 1.5 from 330. 5, this is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8, 3 2, so 20b is equal to 28.5, small triangle, right? Now this way, now we solve the question. Question is the area covered by the roads. First of all, what is the area covered by the roads is equal to whole area of full rectangle minus 4 small rectangles, right? This area is subtracted. So here, what is the area of bigger, that is length into breadth minus 4 times small rectangles length into breadth, right? What is L? This is 90. What is B? This is 60 minus 4 into what is small l? This is 43.5 into what is small b? This is 28.5. If we subtract these 4 rectangles, then only roads are left. So this way we can find the area. So 9 into 6, 5400 minus multiplying this. I have multiplied here 435 into 285. Answer is 1,23,975. Thereafter multiplying with 4. This is answer is 4,959. Now we subtract 9 plus 1 10, 5 4, this is 13, 4, 441 meter square. This is the area which is covered by the roads. Okay. Now next part of the question is, what is the cost? Cost factor. Here just cost, second part, this was first part. Cost is equal to 441 into rupees 110. So this becomes rupees 0 as it is. 11 ones are 11, 11 fours are 44, 44 plus 1 45, 11 fours are 44, 44 plus 4 48. So 48,510. So this is the cost of constructing the roads at the rate of rupees 110 per meter square. Now coming to next question, question number 8. Now question number 8, very interesting question. Pragya wrapped a cord. Cord mean string, or we can say thread. Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius 4 cm and cut off the length required of the cord. Then she wrapped it around a square box of side 4 cm. Did she have any cord left? Use pi is equal to 3.14. So very simple thing. First of all, pipe. When she wrapped along this circular pipe, we know that pipe is circular. Suppose she used the cord like this to wrap around the circular pipe. This way she has wrapped. Now what is the question? Question is, the circular pipe radius is 4 cm. So what is the length from here? Complete circle, circumference, length of the chord required to wrap the circular pipe is equal to circumference of circle with radius is equal to 4 centimeter. We know the formula 2 pi r is the formula of circumference. So here we use 2 into pi is 3.14 into r is 4 centimeter. So here 2 into 4 8, 314 into 8, this is 25.12. We are calculating in centimeter, right? Now second time what happens, then she wrapped it around a square. Square is like this. Okay. Now this is the rope. This is the cord. Okay, string, thread, we can say. She wrapped here. Okay. Now what is the perimeter? Perimeter of square, that is equal to 4 into side. 4 into, what is the side? Box of side 4 centimeters. That is 4 into 4, 16 centimeters. Now what is the question? Did she have any cord left? Of course. Earlier the length of the cord was 25.12 centimeter. Now only 16 centimeter is used. So we say yes, she has cord left equal to 25.12 minus 16, and the answer is 9.12 centimeter. Question number 9. The adjoining figure represents a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed in the middle. Rectangular lawn or garden, inside circular flower bed. 2 meter is the radius. Find the area of the whole land. Whole land means including everything. Rectangle. So this is length into breadth. So which is equal to, length is 10 into breadth is 5. So answer is 50 meter square. Second part, the area of the flower bed. This is a circle. Circle of radius r equal to 2 meter. So we know that this area is pi into r square. So this is equal to, pi mean 22/2 upon 7 into r is 2, 2 into 2, or we can say 3.14. So this is equal to 3.14 into 4, 4 into 4 16, 4 5, 4 into 3 12 meter square. So this is the area of the flower bed. Now third part, find the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed. Mean to say subtracting from this land, from whole rectangle, this circular bed area is subtracted. This is equal to 50 minus 12.56. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. This is 9. 9 minus 2, 7. This is 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 37.44 meter square is the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed. Fourth part, find the circumference of the flower bed. Circumference formula we know, 2 pi r. This is equal to 2 into pi 3.14. R is 2. We multiply this now again. 2 into 2, 4. 3.14 into 4. 3.14 into 4, this is already calculated. So this is equal to 12.56 meter, because we are just calculating the circumference. So we write meter. Length is calculated in meter, single unit, whereas area was meter square. Okay, this is the difference. So this was our question number 9. Now next question number 10 is, question number 10, in the following figure find the area of the shaded portion. This is the shaded portion. So first of all we see that this is the full rectangle. Out of this full rectangle, if we subtract these two triangles, then what we are left with? We are left with this shaded portion. So we write here required area. Required area means this shaded portion. Shaded portion is equal to area of full rectangle minus area of this small triangle of triangle. The name of this triangle is, this is P, this is F. Triangle APF. Again subtracting area of triangle, this BCF. BCF. Now we solve this. This is equal to full rectangle is length into breadth, right, minus area of right angle triangle, because this is 90-degree angle. So 1/2 half into base into height. Again minus 1/2 capital big triangle base into height. So this becomes length is 18 into breadth is 10 minus 1 by 2. Small base is 10 into height is 6 minus 1 by 2. Big triangle base is 8 into height is 10. Again this becomes 18 into 10 is 180 minus 10 into 6 60 divide to 30 minus 8 into 10 80 divide to 40. So this is equal to 180 minus 70, which is equal to 110 centimeter square. This is the required area of the shaded portion. Now second part, question number 10. In the following figure, find the area of the shaded portion. We see that this is a square. 20 centimeter is the length of the square. So here what we are doing, this triangle they are same, because this is 10 centimeter, this will also be 10, this is square, so 20 centimeters, right? So because this angle is 90 degree, so we can also find the length of this side. Okay, moreover, what is the area of triangle TSU? TSU is equal to half into base is 10 into height is also 10, so this becomes 5 into 10 50 centimeter square. First triangle, this area we have calculated. Second time, what is the area of this triangle? Area of triangle QRU. This is also equal to 1 by 2 into base is 10 into height is 20. So 10 divided to 5 into 20, 100 centimeter square. Okay. Now this triangle and this triangle, they are similar. So area of triangle PQ, we can say TPQ is also equal to 100 centimeter square. Okay, fourth time, we are now adding this and this and this. What is the total area of these three triangles? This is equal to 50 plus 100 plus 100, 250 centimeters square. This is the sum, right? Now what is the area of the square? Its areas is equal to the area of full square, that is side into side, 20 into 20 minus this 250, that is equal to 20 into 20 is 400 minus 250, 150 centimeter square. is the area of this shaded portion. Okay. Now question number 11. Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD. This is the quadrilateral. Here AC, A to C, this is 22 centimeter. BM, this BM is 3 centimeter. DN, this is also 3 centimeter. BM is perpendicular on AC. DN is also perpendicular on AC. So first of all, triangle ABC area is equal to half into base into height. That is 1 by 2 into base is AC and height is BM. That is 1 by 2 into AC is 22 into BM is 3. So 2 is cancelled. 11 2s are 22. 11 3s are 33 centimeter square. Next time, second part, we are taking triangle ADC. In this case, area, again this is equal to half into base into height. Here 1 by 2 into base is same AC, height is DN. Okay, now substituting values, 1 by 2 into AC is 22, DN is again 3. So same thing, 33 centimeters. Okay, now what is the question? Find the area of the quadrilateral. Area of ABCD equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. These two triangles, left, lower, upper triangle, together makes the quadrilateral ABCD. So this is equal to 33 plus 33 equal to 66 centimeters square. So this is the final answer. That's all. Thank you.